I say to my organization always, if you have good things before you start to network marketing is easy for you. So when I start the network marketing, I invite 100 people, and almost 100 people said yes to me, because before network marketing I never lied to my friends. I never, they always likes me, we have good respect and communication. So taking people to my team wasn't hard, it was easy. But the hardest part was that 3 times I made 100 people, then they left to the business. Then I make the second 100, they left to the business. And then third time, when I make my third time organization, then I understand. If I work like this, I always will lose to the people and forever I have to work. Then I need to learn how to make these people stay in business, make the business like what I am making, the duplicate what I know. So that part of the business was hard for me, because the first 2 team I make and they run away. My mistake was that always I was making presentations, they were calling their friends, I was making presentations. This was the mistake. But then when I making my third time, when I building, I start to give them training, I start to explain, and I was staying with them and they were making the presentation. So slowly my organization start to understand, and they start to feel they can also do what I am doing. And then my business grew like rocket, because then 100 people was making the presentation. So everything become much easier. So my biggest, hardest thing was learning the duplication.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price so y'all.